My name is Emily Fitzgerald, and both my son Parker and I have CIRS. We started this journey about 2 years ago when my son started exhibiting symptoms that were very alarming to me. He was sick, but not in the type of sick I imagined a normal 2 or 2.5-year-old to be. It started primarily with sleep disruption and insomnia, and then eventually very restrictive eating, and continued to develop into more complex neurological issues where we were pretty concerned that he may be becoming autistic. Nobody really in the conventional world could give us answers. So we eventually saw some fabulous functional doctors and chiropractors that advised us to test him for mycotoxins with a urine test. We got his mycotoxin results back, and they were very alarming. He had several different mycotoxins that were well above the safe level, if there is any safe level of mycotoxins. So we had some very extensive inspections done with a fabulous team that searched the house and scoured all the possible places where we could have hidden mold in our home. And when we got our ERMI back, the mold that was present in the house almost perfectly aligned with the species of mycotoxins that were present on his urine test. I reached out to some friends and then was connected through a local doctor who specializes in CIRS and mold toxicity. That put me in touch with Anthony from CIRS Restoration. He and his team were excellent, a breath of fresh air really, compared to the other people that I was interviewing to potentially remediate the house. It's not easy to find a remediation team that gets it, that understands the proper containment and the risks that come with not containing things properly for our health and the integrity of our home going forward. They were really wonderful and walked me through the process and followed my inspector's protocol exactly. They worked really closely with them to make sure that everything was done properly and always kept me in the loop during the entire process. So it was a big relief to have him on my team. I always felt like he would do right by me and my son and our family, because ultimately this is our safe space, and we will be able to move back in our home and live long, healthy lives because of the work that he did for us.